Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Wes. Today we have the E-Flite Havoc doing a Re-Maiden on. Unfortunately, after, I don't know, of having my Havoc for over a year, probably over 100 flights, I finally put it down in the dirt over there. It was a sad day, but it's been rebuilt. Today is the Re-Maiden. It's all ready to go. Been building it for a while again, huh babe?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm nervous. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Ooh. Okay. Left, right, up, down. Left, right. I always take off in half flap. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna go ahead and roll out from here. I think that's enough. I think that's enough room. Okay. You think you can keep a camera view on it? Did you do the tracking yet, babe?
I did.
Huh?
I did.
You did? Okay.
Yep, I'm ready.
Okie dokie. Wish me luck, guys.
Good luck.
Half flaps. Here we go. I'm stinking nervous. I'm so nervous. What are you doing? What are you tapping on?
Don't worry, babe.
Okay. Are we good?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh! Gear up already? I like to get rid of my gear fast. Whoa! It's going! Oh, I'm up there pretty high. Sorry, babe. The wind's pushing me up.
Okay.
It might not be the wind, actually. It might just be because this is a maiden flight and I'm not used to... I don't have the elevator set right yet, maybe.
I can't see you. I'm sorry.
Just keep it zoomed out.
I am.
And we'll be able to see it somewhere. It really wants to pull up on me. I wasn't thinking that I should have to trim it today, but I really am going to. Whoa, I pulled that too hard. Okay. Okay, that's gonna stall it. Sorry, plane. Sorry, plane. Oh, gosh. I was trying to trim it. Oh, man. It feels okay. It really does. It still feels like it's trying to climb, though, but that's just new linkages and everything I put on. Oh my gosh, so nervous.
You're doing great.
Giving it some rudder there to come around. Okay, my timer just said 1 minute remaining. I'm gonna start thinking about setting up for a landing because, oh my gosh, I'm so nervous, guys. It still wants to pull up. I'm gonna give it some clicks on down there. Hopefully it stays in the air. That was moving, right?
Yeah.
Okay, gear down. I got gear down. I'm gonna take this really wide. Oh my gosh, setting up for a landing. I'm scared. I'm scared. Full flaps. I'm going full flaps, gear down. Do we see all three gear?
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh! Stop! Please stop. It's gonna be in the... Oh, we made it out. Okay. We made it! It's alive! Yay! Oh my gosh, I was so nervous, guys. Oh, I'm moving. Holy crap. Hey! Hey! Oh my goodness. I didn't need to be going that fast. I was so nervous. It's alive! From the Re-Maiden, and it's okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Ah! Thanks for filming, babe. Okay.